Hi everyone, I wanted to review with you two of the Delta Math questions, one from the first activity and one from the second activity. Sorry, level 1 and level 2. So here is our level 1 practice problem, and I'm going to go ahead and copy very carefully the problem onto another screen. Oops, that I lost. Hold on 1 second. Okay, hopefully we can still see that. All right, so this problem has two absolute value of 10 plus 3x, our other absolute value symbol, plus 8 equals 10. Okay, so first we're going to simplify the problem. Minus 8 on both sides. Now we have 2 absolute value of 10 plus 3x gone, and 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, now we need to remove this 2. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. That is gone. And now we have absolute value of 10 plus 3x equals 1. And I did this problem already, and I made a very simple error. I did 2 divided by 2 is 2. So sometimes you can be doing everything right and still make a simple mathematical error. So I went back and checked my work and figured out that that was my problem. Okay, so now we need to divide this into two equations. Okay, on one side we're going to have 10 plus 3x equals 1. And our other one, 10 plus 3x equals negative 1. Okay, so we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. We get 3x equals negative 9. Divide both sides by 3. And x is equal to negative 3. So here's our first one. On the other side, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. Bring down our 3x equals negative 11. Divide both sides by 3. And x is equal to negative 11 over 3. And remember we said, don't be afraid if you end up with a funny fraction. All right, now let's put it in and see if we are right. I'm going to flip my computer back around. Okay, so we have on one side was negative 3, I put comma, and the other side was negative 11 over 3. Now let's see if we are right. And we are, yay! Okay, and remember we can go and we can really just see it again nice and neatly. And the other thing Ms. Driscoll showed us was how to use Desmos to check this. So I'm going to go, you can find Desmos in LCPS Go. You can just search, and you'd want the graphing calculator. Okay, so I'm going to check my work by putting in, where'd it go? Putting, this was the original problem. We're going to put this part on one side. So y equals 2 absolute value of 10 plus 3x value plus 8. And then on our other one, we're just going to put y equals 10. And we're going to see here our two answers, right? Negative 11 divided by 3 is negative 3.667. And then over here, we have our negative 3. So we have the answer correct. So you can use that to check. Okay, I'm going to make another video now that took me longer than I thought to go over the level 2 problem.